Are you searching for that hole-in-one setup for your golf caravan? Well, look no further, because here at Xtend Outdoors we're experts in manufacturing all types of covers for your RV. Our Golf Storm Cover can be attached at the front or the rear of your van and is made of heavy-duty canvas that provides a great weather solution for your fold-out beds. It simply slides straight onto your professionally installed sail tracks and attaches to the press studs applied to the van. Unlike traditional storm covers, ours easily folds up and packs away with your bed, so you don't have to worry about removing it each time for travel. With triple layer windows all around, it gives you the flexibility to have airflow as well as full weather protection. So stop wasting time puttering around and step up your game today. Give us a call to see how we can manufacture the ultimate protection for your golf.